Assalamualaikum to Madam KHALILAH. Today our group will present about Proton Company and the challenges during COVID-19.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL binti RAMLI and I would like to talk about Proton's background. First, Proton established in 1983 as part of the country's national industrialization policy. Proton aimed to develop a domestic automobile industry and reduce reliance on imported vehicles. Proton's first model, which is Proton Saga, was launched in 1985. Over the years, Proton expanded its product lineup through collaborations with international manufacturers and acquisitions. Proton acquired a controlling stake in Lotus Group International Limited in 1996 to enhance its engineering capabilities. In 2017, Chinese automotive company Geely acquired a majority stake in Proton, bringing new technology and market access. Today, Proton is a leading automotive brand in Malaysia, offering a diverse range of models and continuing to strengthen the Malaysian automotive industry. Next, I want to talk about organization chart of Proton. For the board of directors, chairman of Proton is Dato Sri Syed Faisal Alba, and followed by directors Ahmad Jauhari bin Yahya, Dato Wira Azhar bin Abdul Hamid, Daniel Donghili, and Gan Jiayu. And for the senior management, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Lee Chun Rong, and Deputy Chief Executive Officer, which is Encik Nur Roslan bin Abdullah.
This slide is about challenges in managing a company during the COVID-19 pandemic. Work Protons. I, NABILA UNNISHA binti KARIM, will present about planning in the next slide. Planning process is about deciding which goal the organization will pursue, deciding what strategy to adopt to attain those goals, and deciding how to allocate organizational resources. In Proton Company, when this MCO began, there were restrictions placed on any and all movement to staff member outside the company. Proton has provided the Ministry of Health in Malaysia with a loan of 50 units of the Proton X70 in order to provide assistance to the front line of fight against COVID-19. In order to maintain the validity of customer warranty, it is recommended that they get their vehicle serviced within the final 30 days of the MCO period, to assuring the customer that their purchases from the company will not be negatively impacted in any way by the following service and warranty related issues. Proton has been an expected decrease in the number of customers who visit showroom. So Proton started to accept online booking to help with the profit of the business.
My name is Nur binti Zaid and I will present about organizing. Many companies are affected because of the COVID-19 and it really gives a huge impact towards the people, society and the world. When the organization of Proton heard about the COVID-19 virus in a new coverage, the organization of Proton put together a strategy to prevent the spread of COVID-19. They have worked hard and even beforehand the MCO have been released, they stopped all the business trip outside of the country. After gradually reopening all its retails and customer service sites on May 5, Proton Holding Berhad took a number of preventative measures to avoid its employees to getting COVID-19. One of the latest regulations at any service center is that customer must make a scheduled appointment prior to go there, and the customer must have come 20 minutes before the appointment schedule. The general manager of Proton, following sales department, Tan Kang Lin, stated that all customer service representatives and technicians have been told about the rules and process they need to follow to keep everyone safe. Proton Service Center will keep using the latest standard operations procedure (SOP), and the car company said recently during this month that it will be reopening its sales and repair facility. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AZWA SHAHFAREEZA binti Muhammad Shah. Today I would like to present about leading The Movement Control Order (MCO) forbade widespread assembly and movement. As a result, many businesses are compelled to cease operation because their employees are unable to report the work. This compels managers to implement online communication rather than face-to-face interaction. This is quite challenging for their leadership abilities. Next, Proton implement a COVID-19 prevention plan after the virus made headline. Even before the MCO was announced, they cancelled all overseas business travel and mandate work from home for a few departments with quarantine workers. As the leader in the organization, Dr. Lee Churon, Proton CEO, said that their staff health and safety is their priority and they hope to emerge unscathed. It showed that as the leader in the organization, Musk has responsibility for leading his employees. Other than that, the company would want to reassure all of its clients that it will continue to strictly comply to all regulations and procedures, as it has done since the outbreak began. All employees that all employees that engage with clients follow a stringent routine. And the Center of Service Excellence (COSE) and showroom are sanitized on an hourly basis. The authorized are collaborating with Proton because they have aided the company throughout the process and they are pleased with the results so far. The safety of all Proton personnel, clients, and Malaysians will always be the company's top priority. So, managers should reduce their subordinates' workload and stress to improve their mental health. Then, to prevent infections, Proton has reviewed its business operation. All Proton factories were inspected for potential infection threats to downstream and upstream operations, and retail operations were tightened to protect customers and employees. They have implemented new procedures in all areas, from our production lines to our corporate officer, in order to create a new and a safer workplace. And Dr. Lee Churong added that in the near future, virtual meeting and work from home arrangement will be the new norm. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, I'm ATIQAH ZAIDI. I will present about controlling. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Proton implemented various changes in production and operation management to prioritize employee safety and adhere to health regulation. This included rearranged workstation, implementing physical distancing measure and regular sanitization practice. Flexible work arrangements such as remote work and shift rotation were utilized due to difficulty in finding a workforce. Proton also focused on maintaining operational efficiency through reduced operation automation and technological solutions for remote communication and monitoring. In terms of marketing and customer engagement, Proton adapted to changing consumer behavior by investing in digital marketing capabilities and utilizing online platforms. They focus on virtual events, webinars, and online experiences to foster customer connection. Feedback, sentiment analysis, and marketing research were used to modify marketing strategies. Proton management approach during the pandemic emphasized proactive decision-making, transparent communications, adaptability, and empathy for employees and customers, while maintaining operational effectiveness and customer satisfaction.
As a result, running a business during the COVID-19 pandemic involves a number of difficulties that call for cautious preparation, flexibility, and efficient management mechanisms. Here are some suggestions for addressing these issues and ensuring successful management during the pandemic. And one of the reasons is to create a true business continuity plan. Make a business continuity plan that covers many parts of the company's operations, such as supply chain management, guidelines for remote work, health and safety precautions, financial backup plans, and customer interaction tactics. That's all. Thank you.